Anime is a type of cartoon show who is really action-packed, who also has great storylines, but of course, who has amazing art in each one of them. The anime Demon Slayer has a particular style that I like because of all of the swordsmen who are all in the show. Today, I want to show you how I drew Tanjiro from Demon Slayer. First things first, I worked on the sketch. Keep in mind, whenever you sketch, you have to start with really loose lines and then build upon it as you sketch. The next step is to actually do your line work. So on that, you could follow the detail that you did on your sketch and build upon it as you continue with the line work. I'm gonna show off, I know it's time. I am my price, don't it look nice? You look nice, don't it? I bet we could roll out. When I show up, show out. Didn't know then, but I know now. Best kept secret, but you know now. Take a look when I started. Know it right when I found it. I saw. Next, you have to work on the color. For that, I'm not gonna lie, you're gonna need some help from your reference and see what type of colors is on the character and how you must shade it right after. So this is the end process of my drawing. What do you think about it? Tell me in the comments. Do you think it looks good? Do you think it looks bad? Honestly, I think I did a pretty good job. Whenever you finish a drawing, just make sure to flex your drawing at the end and present it in the best way possible for people to see. If you enjoyed, subscribe to see who I'm gonna draw next. Let's go!